Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me.
Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome to another vlog. So this vlog is going to be all about Christmas tree. This is my first time setting up a Christmas tree and I'm so excited. So when it comes to decor, I always stick to simple color palette like lots of gold, white, silver. And since this is my first time setting up the Christmas tree, I chose same color palette because I didn't want to overwhelm myself. And for the Christmas tree, we found a really nice tree from Walmart. So we got our Christmas tree last night and we assembled it, and we got a really nice 7.5 feet tree. That's because our apartment ceiling is quite high. It's about 11.5 feet, so I felt 7.5 feet is like just perfect. And it's pre-lit for flocked tree and it's so beautiful. And I chose the pre-lit ones because we don't have to think about the lights. The lights are already installed. And I also went ahead and purchased few charms and ornaments, and oh my god, they have like so many options. So that is the reason why I highly suggest, if you are someone setting up your Christmas tree first time, it gets really confusing, so stick to a color palette. Like for me, I chose gold, silver, so I just went ahead and I had my blinders on while I was shopping. Like I was not even looking towards green and red and all the other colors. I was just focusing on gold and silver. And also we have some friends coming over tonight for Thanksgiving, so I thought, okay, let's just decorate the tree together. It's always fun to decorate the tree together. So yeah, let me just show you what all charms I got and we'll decorate the tree together once my friends are here. Okay guys, so these are all the ornaments which we got for our tree, and most of the stuff here I found from Target and Michaels. So I found this one in Michaels, this one is from Target, and these are one of my favorites, and these are from Target. This one also I got from Target. I have these ones as well from Target. This is also from Target, I believe. No, this is from Michaels, and these ones are from Michaels as well. I got in gold and silver, and I also got the big box of this clear ones because it reflects the light and it looks so pretty. And I also got a big box of gold, champagne and silver mix of ornaments from Michaels. These flowers are from Amazon. These are like so pretty. It opens up like this and it looks so beautiful. So yeah, let's get decorating.
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you.
Okay guys, so this is how our tree turned out, and I feel it looks so good. And also we have kept a little tree skirt, and we are going to keep some gifts over here. And I also went ahead and put the tree topper on. We just went with a simple star. And then I also have gold garland. I feel like it's so pretty. We also added few bigger balls like this on the empty areas, one over here and one over here, and I feel like it does the really good job in filling in the gaps. And yeah, this is how the tree looks like. I absolutely love it. Alright you guys, so that was all for today's vlog. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's vlog, and I will link my exact tree and I will try to find all the ornaments I used and link it down below for you guys if you are interested. And please check my Instagram out. I will leave my handle on the screen, and I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye.
My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see with all faded photos. of family.